Hello children, and I'm back again with one more video in another subject in your very own channel, Be Taught. Let's learn today for a better tomorrow. Today in Standard 4 in English, we are going to learn the first lesson, Rain in the Night. That is a poem. Rain in the Night by Amelia Josephine Burr. Raining, raining all night long. Sometimes loud, sometimes soft, just like a song. There'll be rivers in the gutters and lakes along the street. It will make our lazy kitty wash his little dirty feet. The roses will wear diamonds like kings and queens at court. But the pansies all get muddy because they are so short. I'll sail my boat tomorrow in wonderful new places. But first, I'll take my watering pot and wash the pansies' faces. Now children, I will explain this poem. Raining, raining all night long, sometimes loud, sometimes soft, just like a song. So what do you understand from this stanza? That it's been raining the whole night, and sometimes it's raining heavily with a loud sound, and sometimes it's drizzling softly. So as if it's like a song. There'll be rivers in the gutters. This means gutters are small channels from where water flows. So it's fully overflowing as though a river flows, and lakes along the streets. This means that the entire street is flooded with water since it's raining heavily. It will make our lazy kitty wash his little dirty feet. Kitty means a kitten. So it's feeling so lazy because of the cozy weather outside to get up and wash its little dirty feet. Sometimes you children also feel lazy to get up and come to school in the morning. You feel so sleepy. So same way the kitty is also feeling lazy. The roses will wear diamonds like kings and queens at court. It means that just like how the kings and queens at court wear diamonds, same way the roses will wear. How? Now as it is raining, the rain droplets are falling on the roses and getting collected. So it looks as if they are wearing diamonds. But the pansies all get muddy because they are so short. Now pansies are nothing but beautiful colorful flowers. And since they are very short and it's raining, it's become muddy and lot of dirt is collected on it. I'll sail my boat tomorrow in wonderful new places. But first I'll take my watering pot and wash the pansies' faces. In this stanza, the poetess who has written the poem is saying that first I'll take my watering pot and I will wash the pansies' faces, means the flowers, which are become dirty with mud. and she'll wash it with water, and then she'll make paper boats, which we all love to do, and sail it in that puddle of water which is formed over there. Now I want you all to recite the poem along with me. Rain in the Night by Amelia Josephine Burr. Raining, raining all night long, sometimes loud, sometimes soft, just like a song. There'll be rivers in the gutters and lakes along the street. It will make our lazy kitty wash his little dirty feet. The roses will wear diamonds like kings and queens at court. But the pansies all get muddy because they are so short. I'll sail my boat tomorrow in wonderful new places. But first I'll take my watering pot and wash the pansies' faces. Hope you'll have understood the poem. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel to get more videos. Thank you.